Hello, everyone. Today we are going to be making observations on what are called our known substances. So last week we looked at unknown in the mystery mixture, but we know it's two different substances. Today we're going to look at our 9 substances, which are known, and we're going to try to compare by observing each and every one of them. Now, we will be looking at vials, which I have some vials pictured here, and you will have 9 of those, but each of them are labeled. And what you'll be doing is filling out this worksheet, white substance A, information A, as well as a B sheet. So we'll have more room as well. Now the chemical name will be on each and every vial, as well as a chemical formula and the common name. And you can look over here on the right, this is what they'll look like from top to bottom. The chemical name will be at the top. Chemical formula, it looks like, is at the bottom. And you should recognize these, right? We looked at chemical formulas a week ago. And then the common name is in parentheses in the middle. So this one, the chemical name is calcium carbonate. The chemical formula is CaCO3, and the common name is chalk. So we want to fill each of these boxes in for every vial you look at, and then make your observation. Use your magnifying glass to really look at what these particles of each substance look like and make your observations. And remember, we know what these are, so we're just describing what the particles look like. When you're finished or after each and every one, we do have the power of the internet at our fingertips and our computers, so make sure to look up the uses. What that means is, what is this used for? For instance, you can Google search what is calcium carbonate used for, or what is chalk used for, or maybe you know already, so just fill in a small use for that. Make sure you do each and every one of these. There are 9 total, and record as many observations as you can. These sheets should be filled out, and these will be glued into your notebook on the next page, just as we did yesterday when we talked about how we're going to look into these chemicals. We put on the next page, we're going to continue on with our chemistry section. Also, make sure you go back and write the name of this in your table of contents. You can call this area white substances, and there'll be an A and B sheet that you can glue in. As always, if you have questions, make sure to ask your teacher. And this is a laboratory, so make sure you have your safety goggles on. Now, none of the vials should be open today. The vials will remain closed with their caps, but we still wear safety goggles for safety. Have fun, make some great observations.